we had a finite time window to get this ready ahead of Remembrance Day service. There's some really significant works around the riverbank, for example, and they needed to be done in order to secure the foundations of this site. Obviously that gave us the opportunity to totally redesign accessibility for the cenotaph, and that's really important as well, to make it open and more accessible to the people of Warrington.
And we've had youngsters across Warrington as well also involved in the scheme, working with Culture Warrington. It must be quite nice to know that the younger generation have, made a significant impact on the project.
Yeah, absolutely. I think it's a really important part of the whole remembrance process is that we involve people throughout the community, particularly young people, to make them realise the importance of remembrance, recognising the sacrifice that some of our ancestors made for freedom, and that's a really important part. And I love some of the new features here at the Cenotaph. We've got some new benches, and we've got these wreath stands as well, which children are involved in designing.